Hello everyone, Ian here from Mega Mobile USA, and right now I want to do a quick unboxing of the all-new ASUS Zenfone 8 Flip. And this is the big brother to the ASUS Zenfone 8, so I did make a video for that. You can check that out as well. However, this one is a little bit bigger and it's got the funky camera setup, and it's just a little bit different. I'm not quite sure why someone would pick this over the regular 8. However, to each their own, I guess. Real quick rundown of the phone. It's got a 6.67 inch screen, a 90 hertz refresh instead of the 120, which is on the Zenfone 8. It's got the same Snapdragon 888 processor. It's got a bigger 5,000 milliamp hour battery. The main camera is 64 megapixel. It's dual SIM, factory unlocked, international, global version. There's no region lock or anything like that on there. If you'd be so kind, a sub to the channel would be great. Like the video and drop a comment below. We can get the conversation started. But I will also leave a link to this phone in the description. So without further ado, if you buy it from me, this is what you're going to get. Got the phone box here. Take the top off. Defy ordinary, just like the Zenfone 8. SIM eject tool. Comes with a case here. It's rigid just like the other one. Not a fan of that. And then we got some just books, garbage, nothing crazy. Here's the phone. Power that on for you real quick. And lift this out. We got charger and USB-C to C just like in the Zenfone 8. Here's the charger. It's international. There's no US version of this phone at the moment, so I include an adapter. You put it on, it goes into the wall. Doesn't look great, but guess what? It works. Okay, and now the phone is powered up. I'm going to very quickly just get this out for you. So right now on the top, there's a microphone, and then you can see this is where the camera is going to flip up. We've got the volume rocker, the off-color power button, no headphone jack on this guy, speaker, microphone, USB-C, microphone, or maybe it's an IR blaster. I'm not quite 100% sure on that one. There's no front-facing camera because, again, you get this does flip over for you. So here's the phone. You make the language selection. I don't need to go through it. It's kind of all pretty much standard. This is the silver color. It looks kind of like a mirror. There's another microphone on there for the back camera. Pretty standard, pretty straightforward. It looks exactly like the Zenfone 7. So if you're familiar with that phone, it's just another year better, I guess. That's probably the best thing I could say about it. So either way, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. But this is the ASUS Zenfone 8 Flip. You can buy it from my store, and I look forward to your business. Thank you.